Why, ahoy there, YouTube. It's me, Erwin, yo, also known as Sam Lambert. It's the 4th of July, 2025. Now, I've been thinking about how back in the day I used to, get on my boombox and dance, right? So, let's do something. But first, let me tell you how I'm doing this. So, I'm not just listening to music, and I put music in parentheses, because in the 1990s, well, my study of home videos showed that in the 1990s, pushing up the pitch of music by 10 cents, aka 0.17 tones, became a popular process. You watch home videos where you listen to music before the 90s. If it was actually recorded before the 90s, it'll feel realistic. Okay. So, I turned down the pitch of a song by 0.17 tones and reverted back down to zero, back down to earth. Now, there's a couple other things I did for the audio editing process. And that is one to have a beginning thing and for example, I generate a little chirp. It goes, and then when the song ends, there's going to be white noise, to clear out the residual vibe. All right. Then of course we have our meaty stuff in the middle. So let me get this on for you. Yeah, I'm going to hold this thing up to my face. Oh yeah, that's right. I was supposed to record better sounding audio in Audacity. But oh well. At least now it's better, right? Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here we go. Gonna show you that I'm not just some fuck. I do have the capability to do stuff. Oh, that's probably gonna kill a speaker, bro. Yes, I can into it. Now clear out the residual vibes. Good. Good.